Hello traders, welcome to Shoonya. Today we will see in this video how you can buy and sell from Shoonya mobile application. So you can see we have already logged in Shoonya mobile application and here we are on the dashboard. Here we will now go to the watch list where we can click on any one script. Let's click on Trident. Click on Buy button. In this buy window, we will put limit price at ₹33 and then click on Buy button. So you will see that our buy order has been placed, which is currently open and will be executed when the exchange price comes according to our bid price. Now to modify this order, you can tap on the modify button. And after editing the price, click on the modify button. And now you can see our buy order has been successfully modified. Now to cancel this order, you can tap on cancel button and see that our buy order has been cancelled. Now let's have a look how you can place sell order. Here we can place sell order on Trident only. Click on Trident, press sell button. Now you will see sell window has opened. Here for sell we need to enter our limit price of ₹34.50 and then click on sell button. Now you can see our sell order has been placed and it's open, and it will be executed when the price of exchange will come according to our bid price. Now we can modify our sell order in same way as we did in buy order. Now after editing the price, tap on modify button. Then you will see that our sell order has been modified successfully. And now for cancelling this order, click on the cancel button. Then you will see that our sell order has been cancelled successfully. So this was a brief overview of how you can buy and sell with Shoonya mobile application.